I got a tattoo. Look, I see it too. Whoa, what's that? Whoa, that's really bright. Your foot's glowing. Put it down. There we go. There it is. Look, it's me. It's Christy. It's me. We need to make a superhero movie. See, we're awesome. Superpowers. Muscles. How do you make it bigger? Yeah. You gotta kiss it. How do you do that? Flexing? Oh, you can only see a mine this way. Poke at it. It's a lot stronger feeling than when you look at it. They have no muscles. Poke! You've been poked. You've been super poked. Oh! Your face is priceless. Winnie the Pooh is in a tree. See, can you see him? Can you see him?
I don't have a receipt for that.
Yeah, okay.
This stuff, you think they'll take it back anyhow, being it's you?
Probably. Our arms are standing up. It's like, put it back down. 129 seconds. That's a long time. Is that 2 minutes? 1 minute. You're gonna make Pooh dizzy.